अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे डॉक्टर फास्टर्स एज अ मोरालिटी प्ले। मोरालिटी प्ले वाज एन अर्ली फॉर्म ऑफ ड्रामा. इट डेवलप आउट ऑफ द मिस्ट्री एंड miracles plays during the Middle Ages. It becomes popular in the 15th century. The morality play, different from the miracle play, is that it was not connected with biblical story with named character, but rather display which conveying a moral truth. The feature of morality play can be found in Dr. Faustus. It has a moral lesson to teach. It deals with the fight between good and evil. So Marlowe established the moral values of the play by various means through its theme, speeches, and chorus, and a good angel and the old man. It highlights the sense of sin. Faustus commit a sin by making a pact with Lucifer. He not only disobeys God but also swear allegiance to devil. Possibility of redemption is always open to him. All he needs to do is to ask forgiveness from God. This play offers a moment when Foster considered that the voice of the good angel or the old man can be seen as a message from God. अच्छा, मैं आपको ट्रांसलेशन करके क्यों नहीं बता रही, क्योंकि मेरी अब इस चीज़ के ना कॉन्सेप्ट जो है मैं भूल चुकी हूँ डॉक्टर फॉस्टर्स के. आप लोगों ने फ्रेश इसका कॉन्सेप्ट लिया होगा. आप समरी सुन के आए, अपने टीचर से लेक्चर लें, तो आपके पास काफ़ी ज़्यादा नॉलेज अब होगा और आपका माइंड फ्रेश होगा. ठीक है, इन सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स को ग्रैब करने में. तो आपको समझ आ रही होगी कि मैं किस चीज़ से रिलेटेड बात कर रही हूँ. फॉस्टर्स डिसाइडेड टू रिमेन लॉयल टू लूसीफर. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखिए. Marlowe himself was not a very religious man, but here he preaches obedience to God and sure punishment for disobedience. Dr. Foster is Marlowe's sentence. His sins are the same pride and desires for God. He is dissatisfied with his parents and wants to become powerful like God. Oh God, if you will not mercy on my soul, yet for Christ, whose blood ransom me, sake impose some end to my instant pain. Next, देखिए. Faustus has other voices too. He has intellectual pride. He also wishes for vain glories. He imagines that the spirit will bring him gold, pearl, fruits, etc. He has ambition to discovering the whole universe and changing the map of Europe. Finally, he is doomed to hell. The second important feature of the morality play is the obstruction personified. Please, sorry. मैं आपको अपनी वीडियोस में पहले भी बहुत बार बता चुकी हूँ. हमारा घर जो है रोड के साथ है, तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक चलती रहती है, तो आवाज़ें भी काफ़ी आती हैं. सम कैरेक्टर जस्ट इग्नोर दोज वॉइसेस. ठीक है, दोज बैकग्राउंड नॉइसेस. Some characters stand for virtues and voices. The good angel and the bad angel are the abstraction personified. The good angel stands to right path and evil angel for the wrong. The old man appearing in the last part also personified the forces of goodness. Another characteristics of a morality play is the conflict between good and evil. Here what don't find evil characters combined with good ones, but we find the conflict. In the mind of Dr. Faustus, here a conflict in internal. There is a battle inside the mind whether to join good or devil party. Good angel देखें क्या कहती है. Oh Faustus, lay that damned book aside and gaze on it. Let it tempt the south. Evil angel कहती है, go forward Faustus, is that famous art wherein all nature treasure is contained. अच्छा, गुड एंजल उसको कह रही है, तुम ऐसे काम ना करो. तुम कैसे एक अल्लाह ताला के बराबर हो सकते हो? कैसे तुम एक मैप चेंज कर सकते हो? ये सब अल्लाह के इख्तियार में ना. तो एविल कहती है उसको, एविल एंजल कहती है कि नहीं, तुम जाओ, ये एक अच्छा आर्ट है, सीखो इसको. Although there are several aspects of the morality play in Dr. Faustus, there is also much evidence to support that it should be seen as a tragedy rather than a morality play. The full title of the play, The Tragical History of the Life and the Death of Dr. Faustus, is not an innocent man of the morality play, but financially he saved. He tells the scholar, talk on me, but save yourself and depart. This play is more about Dr. Faustus. This play is more the discussion about the tragic character. In conclusion, we can say that Dr. Faustus is a tragedy which used respect of the morality play. So I'm done this video. Next video तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. See you soon.